Welcome to the Billionaires Club, closing deals like a boss. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of billionaires, the masters of the deal. These are the empire builders, the risk takers, the game changers. We're breaking down their top 10 rules for closing deals like pros. It's about strategy, mindset, and outworking everyone else. Stay tuned, this knowledge can change everything. Rule number 1, know your stuff. Research is king. First rule of the Billionaires Playbook, knowledge. They dig deep, understand the business, market, competition. They ask tough questions because information is power. No assumptions, only cold, hard facts. That's how they spot opportunities and negotiate from control. Rule number 2, it's all about relationships, baby. Here's the thing about billionaires. They understand that business is a people game. It's about building real, authentic relationships. They network like crazy, show up at events, connect with everyone from the CEO to the security guard. Why? Because they know that trust and rapport are invaluable assets. When you build strong relationships, you create a foundation for win-win deals. And that's what separates the good from the great. Rule number 3, win-win or no deal. Finding the sweet spot. Listen up, this is crucial. Billionaires aren't looking to screw anyone over. They know sustainable business is built on mutually beneficial deals. They're always looking for that sweet spot where both sides win. Happy partners mean long-term success, repeat business, and a killer reputation. Remember, a win-lose deal might give you short-term gain, but a win-win sets you up for long-term success. Chapter 4. Rule number 4. Stay cool, calm, and collected pressure is a privilege. The stakes are high at this level, but you'll never see a billionaire sweat. They stay cool, think strategically, and control their emotions. Master the mental game and approach challenges with a clear mind. Chapter 5. Rule number 5. Surround yourself with giants. Expertise is key. Billionaires know they don't know everything. They assemble a team of rock stars, lawyers, financial advisors, industry specialists, all covered. They analyze every angle, mitigate risks, and make informed decisions. Teamwork makes the dream work. A solid team can make or break a deal. Chapter 6. Rule number 6. Know your worth. Negotiate from power. Here's the deal. Billionaires understand their value proposition. They know what they bring to the table and are not afraid to walk away if the terms don't align with their goals. They set clear boundaries, have a walkaway point, and never settle for less than they deserve. This isn't about being arrogant, it's about being confident, knowing your worth, and negotiating from a position of strength. Chapter 7. Empathy is your secret weapon. Understand their needs. This is where the real players shine. Billionaires are masters at understanding the other party's needs and motivations. They listen, they observe, and they ask the right questions. Why? Because it allows them to craft irresistible offers that speak directly to the other side's desires and pain points. Remember, it's not just about what you want, it's about understanding what they need. Chapter 8. Rule number 8. Be decisive. Indecision kills deals. In the world of billionaires, time is money. They gather the information, analyze the risks, and then make a decision. No overthinking, no second guessing. They trust their instincts and move forward with conviction. Indecision leads to missed opportunities. Be bold, be decisive, and don't be afraid to pull the trigger. Chapter 9. Rule number 9. Patience is a virtue. Timing is everything. Billionaires understand that not every deal is meant to be closed today. Sometimes, the best move is to wait, to let the situation develop, to allow the opportunity to ripen. They're strategic about their timing, striking when the iron is hot, and never rushing into anything that doesn't feel right. Remember, patience is not about being passive. It's about being strategic, biding your time, and seizing the right moment. Chapter 10. Rule number 10. Never lose sight of the big picture. Vision drives deals. Here's the thing about billionaires. They're playing a long game. Every deal, every negotiation is a stepping stone towards a larger vision. They don't get bogged down in the details. They keep their eyes on the prize, ensuring that every move aligns with their overall strategy. Remember, short-term gains are great, but it's the long-term vision that builds empires. There you have it, folks. The 10 rules billionaires live by when it comes to closing deals. These strategies and mindsets separate the best from the rest. You might think, I'm not a billionaire. It doesn't matter where you start. Implement these rules, study the greats, put in the work, and watch your deal-making skills soar. Now get out there and crush it. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.